Alright people, I'm back on scene at the playground. As you can see already, these birds is digging in. It's like a buffet out here. It's gonna help that they put toys on here. So it's not doing much. So I'm back here. I'm gonna till it into the ground. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Alright people, so I still got my the tiller that I rented for the other job. It's the same day, but it's a different day for y'all because it's a different video. But my only problem is this here. It's kind of tight. Now I know I can fit Franken tiller through here. I don't know if I can fit that big old tiller through there, but I'm gonna give it a try because if I could get, I know I can fit it through the gate, I think. If I can get it through here, it will make this, it's about like 5 o'clock right now. I've been working all day. If I can get that big tiller in there, it'll make this job a whole lot easier. So I'm gonna try. If I can't, I'm just gonna hit it with Franken tiller, but might as well try, right? Let's go, people. Alright people, got it done. The bird's already trying to get back at it. Like I said, I'm gonna get some grass to grow over this mug one way or another. That's the tip, people. Take advantage of rental stuff. If I had more time today and I didn't have something to do tomorrow, there's another job I would use that for. And so, see, I took advantage of this. I'm gonna talk more about this another time, but like, the way I do things is, for those who saw the last video, I put the seeds down. It was beginning of March, I think. No, beginning of, this is March. Must have been the beginning of February. Beginning of February. I was hoping that I had put it down in time enough for it to start soaking in and germinating, because we were getting a lot of rain and the birds hadn't migrated back up north. For those who don't know, this area, birds migrate down south in the wintertime, so you can put down seeds and the birds won't mess with it. So I put down the seeds hoping the birds will mess with it, and then instantly I came back and they feasted on it like it's a buffet. So that's, and I didn't really, some people say you put down the straw so the birds can't get to it, but the reason I put down the straw was to hold moisture, because as you saw, I didn't cover it with any topsoil, which I was hoping I had put it down in time, but it wasn't. So you put down straw, so when it rains, the straw gets wet, the straw stays wet, and it gets on. There was some areas where the seeds did start sprouting, but we in March, and it's this good weather out here. The grass is ready to grow. I done seen people cutting grass already, so I said I need to get over here and I need to do something. So I had the tiller, I already rented it, took advantage of that, brought it over here, and so now there's still some seeds kind of exposed, but a majority of the seeds is down in the soil. So hopefully we get some more rain, they'll germinate, we get some grass growing. Anywho, I'm about to get to the house. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.